backs are beautiful. A gentle slope, a line of grace. The back's soft curve, a hallowed space. In silent poise, its form defined, a quiet strength for heart and mind. A touch, a trace, a whispered plea, a fragile, bold serenity. In simple truth, its beauty lies.
Backs are beautiful. My name is Cheryl Johnson, and I created this painting out of gouache. It's a beautiful, sensitive piece of art that I really loved, and I sold it quite some time ago, but I still have all the beautiful negatives in order to create a framed print. So if you're looking to add a touch of color, emotion, and elegance to your space, consider a framed print. It will add beauty and elegance to your home. You see, when you choose a framed print, you're not just buying a piece of paper, you're acquiring a finished, polished work of art that's ready to hang. It'll arrive to you safely shipped in a container, and it's ready to hang immediately. You can choose whatever frame you desire from different colors, wood or metal. I'm so excited to share this framed print with you. I often get asked why I offer my work as a professionally framed print, and the answer is simple. It's all about bringing a complete piece of art into your home, one that elevates your interior design and style with ease. Imagine this print hanging in your home. It will be a conversation piece. It's perfect for any interior design space. Imagine it hanging in your bathroom or in that special bedroom corner. So if you're considering a frame print, consider purchasing Backs Are Beautiful. It's like buying a beautiful dress without a hanger if you don't have a frame. You still have to figure out how to display it, how to protect it, and how to make it look its best. I've done the hard work for you. That's where professionally framed prints come in. I've already done the work for you. The frame is carefully selected to enhance the artwork, not compete with it. It protects the print from dust and damage and UV light, ensuring the colors stay vibrant for years to come. This means you get a museum quality piece that is both durable and stunning. So, if you're looking to add a touch of color and emotion and elegance to your space, consider Backs Are Beautiful. Contact me today and I'll offer you an immediate 20% discount on this piece, just simply by sending me an email to sherry@CherylJohnsonArtist.com and putting in the subject line, Backs Are Beautiful. Enjoy my art. Have a blessed day and pursue your passions and have more joy every day.